Welcome to Study Loop.
Good day. In this question, we will be deriving the Bernoulli's equation and equation of continuity to show the derived equation that we have here in letter A and solve for the water flow in cubic meters per second. So for letter A, based on figure 15-48, the narrow throat there is A. The narrow throat is A. But we are asked to have it in B. So we let A is equal to B and VA, the small a, is equal to VB. So the continuity equation is A VA equals B VB. Solving for VB equals A over B VA. And from the Bernoulli's equation, we have 1 half rho VA squared equals delta P plus 1 half rho VB squared, where delta P is equal to P2 minus P1, and the rho GH is cancelled since it has no height. And P2 is the pressure in the throat. P1 is pressure in pipe. So substituting the VB that we got from the continuity equation, we have 1 half rho VA squared equals delta P plus 1 half rho A over B squared VA squared. So for the VA, we have square root of 2 delta B divided by rho 1 minus A over B squared. Therefore, our VA is equal to 2B squared delta P divided by rho B squared minus A squared. Next, for letter B, from the equation that we got in letter A, which is VA equals square root of 2B squared delta P divided by rho B squared minus A squared, we can substitute the values that we are given. So VA equals square root of 2 times the area at the throat is 32 times 10 to the negative 4 meters squared. Change in pressure is 41 times 10 to the 3 Pascal minus 55 minus 55, 41 and minus 55 times 10 to the 3 Pascal divided by rho, which is rho of water, density of water, 1000 kilogram per cubic meter, times 32 times 10 to the negative 4 meters squared minus 64 times 10 to the negative 4 meters squared. And VA will be equal to 3.055 meters per second. Therefore, the flow rate in cubic meter per second is equal to A or VA times the area. Substituting, we have area there is 64 times 10 to the negative 4 cubic, sorry, meter squared times the VA of 3.055 meters per second. Our flow rate is equal to 2.0 times 10 to the negative 2 cubic meter per second. Thank you.